Hi everyone, thank you very much for joining us today. Let's learn how to use YouTube Kids from our cell phones as an application. This is very easy to use it because we can just download it from our storage and we're going to find it out that it's like any other application. And once you are downloading it, it's going to be installed and then you have to start using it as
Welcome to YouTube Kids.
any other application. As you heard, it's going to give
Now
us
you can
the
sign
welcoming,
in and create a profile for.
and it's saying that we have to create a profile and we have to do it. As you can see, I have my email account right here, and it's saying what we can do right here. Of course, I have my son's name here because he already had an account, but now you can see it that it's going to be having these features in order that you can are going to be the only one who can handle it. For example, you're going to be seeing some multiplications in order that you as parent are going to be using it. The setting of time, it's essential in here because you can set the time for them, and then also you can skip some content if you want to. And as well, you're going to be finding out how to create a password, what's the privacy policy, what's the guide for you in order that you're going to be learning what to do and how to do it. And also, you're going to be finding out all the help topics that it's here in this application. Later on, you can just go to the web and look for the terms in case that you want to read all of them. You can do it. And that's it. Your account is ready to use it. And as you can see it, I can see my son's profile. I have to go to the video section and
Hay tanto para ver, vamos a aprender con Blippi.
and then also if I don't want him to use it, I'm going to try to continue with multiplications. But as you can see it, if your son, your child is going to be trying all the time, is going to have a difficulty. So it's important for you that you're going to take care of this because it's going to have a lot of features here. As you can see it, the autoplay, it doesn't allows your children to do it by themselves because it's going to ask for an adult all the time. The setting on the time, you can see it here, is not it was not set, but now you can see the video. And yes, you can block this video, you can report the video, or you just can go to try it again and look for some features that you're going to be needed. The time, it's setting already, and then it's here on the video, and you just can start work. Watch. Here we go. So this is it for this amazing tool. Hopefully you're going to be finding out a lot of help with this because you can handle as parent with this application, and also you can have the control over what your kid is watching or not. Thank you very much everyone for joining me today, and hopefully this application has been worth it for you. See you next time.